Hi, I'm the Snob, a celebrity hair artist, and today I'm going to be performing a technique called the silk press. This is Taya, and what we're going to do is straightening out her hair, and this is one of the most satisfying transformations. So the pre-shampoo is really good for protecting your hair from any stripping of moisture from shampooing. So we're going to leave this in for about 20 minutes. Our conditioner contains watermelon extract, and this is scientifically proven to increase and boost your mood. We're just going to be putting in oil the size of a 10p in the palm of your hand and just saturate it through the hair. So right now I'm just going to twist the hair, and this is a really good protective style because what it does, it protects the ends of your hair mostly. It's already transforming! Look at the difference. This is cray-cray. So we're just running the straighteners through the hair. You want to run through the hair at least twice. Yes, honey, look at this. Like, come on. Beautiful, lush, amazing, slick, sleek. There's also a cool little trick to straighten and get into the roots without really getting to the roots. And that's just getting your straighter as close as possible and blowing. We've done the baby hairs, and now I'm just going to curl the ends before we wrap it up. Obviously you don't need to take it into little sections because we don't want it to look like turkey twizzlers. So now we're just going to use a wide tooth comb and swoop the hair all the way round out of place. So just wrap it all round like a cocoon. Silk. And I call this the auntie headscarf. This is how it's going to look once you've taken your scarf off, and what you're going to do is just slowly, using a wide tooth comb again, unravel it. I hope you guys loved this episode of Secrets of a Celebrity Hairstylist. Make sure you like, follow and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Bye!